Is those shims are for any specific reason?
I got these shims here so they don't come back this way. If you see down here, just gives me an extra hand so it doesn't tip over. Gives me some room to work here.
So you're using the shim just to hold the piece,
Yeah.
the bottom piece, that it would not fall?
Yeah, just to hold it in place for now.
Okay. Permanently. Alright. So what are we doing here?
Here we are doing the joints.
Okay, I see you have epoxy.
Got epoxy here, got some silicone kind of right over here.
Why are you using the razor blade for a joint?
Clean this epoxy in here, this axis.
Clean it and take a look how level it is, right?
Yep.
Because you can feel it, the tiny imperfections in the surface at that point is unevenness, I want to say.